Welcome back again in a new video. So this video is going to be short. I'm going to talk about the labels. Okay. So the thing I want you to know about labels is for the horizontal alignment and the profile. So first of all, when we're talking about the horizontal alignment, we can see the stations here. Okay. So we can click on this and we hit on edit alignment labels. Okay, so we have the major stations and we have the minor stations. So the major stations, if we want to adjust them, we can, instead of make them parallel, we can make them perpendicular. Okay, so when we hit apply, you can see. Okay, so it's better for you when you work. This way you might be able to work better. So this is a suggestion. You can choose it as you want. You might be able to return it to its original way or to its original status. Okay, so this is for the major. Okay, so the other thing is we're going to talk about is about the profile, the vertical profile. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of lines here. You can edit that by clicking here, then edit profile view style. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of lines, vertical lines like this. Okay, so when you hit on that, as you can see, they all disappear. Look, it's better now, right? If you wish, you could use this as well. Clip horizontal grid and you hit apply, which is way better if you see here. Okay, so this is for you if you want to make it better for you to view the profile, the horizontal alignment. So it's basically some modifications to make it easy on you to work, to make it more uh, more beautiful for the eye to watch it. So this is all for this video. It's all about the labels. Okay, so for me, I'm going to return them back. Okay, I'm going to apply these settings later, not now, because I will be using them for some demonstrations. So thank you for your watching, and Abbas Swan was with you. You have a good day. Bye bye.